G'day everyone, I'm Jerome Laxell, Mayor of Ryde. We're here at the grand opening of the Meadowbank Skate Park. Such an amazing facility, $3 million, world class, one of the best you'll see in Australia. Here in the city of Ryde, it's so important that we upgrade our open space and recreational spaces. This is one of the greatest skate parks you'll see. Over the last 5 years, we've really focused on upgrading our open space and our playgrounds so that people can come together, create memories and have a fantastic time. That's what the City of Ryde's all about. Come down to Meadowbank Park and have a skate.